That was a sweet swing. We'll try that one more time. Hi, I'm Nick Bonner for TreeStuff.com, and this is the Notch Catalyst harness. This is a new harness from Notch, and it is pretty nice. It sits in a nice affordable price range. It's a little less than some of the other competing harnesses out there, but this thing is full of features and it's really comfortable. Right at the center, we've got a wear safe bridge ring. This is very cool. It's got a red enamel line in here, and that's going to tell you if this ring ever needs to be retired from wear on the bridge. Ever break the red loop, you need to get rid of the ring. Lower D-rings, these are bent outwards. That makes them nice and easy to clip into with a lanyard. You've got an adjustable draw here. What I like about this is that it can get really short. You see how short I have it set here? I'm a small guy, and I like to have that draw nice and tight because it brings my back up and gives me the back support that I need when I'm sitting. If you lengthen this draw out, it's going to dump me back like this, and that's not how I want to be sitting. Upper D-rings, these are nice and small, nothing really fancy going on here, but you do see the way that they're bent outwards. That's going to give you a lot of clearance right here. Even if you push these in, they're not going to be hard to get a carabiner into, whether you're going crossbody or same side. As we go around the back here, we can see we've got an adjustable bungee draw. This is nice and easy to adjust and can be loosened with one hand. And you'll see these on both sides of the harness. Also in the center here, you have a second point of adjustment. This is an elasticized webbing, and that's going to allow you to set both the height of your leg loop and, in combination with this one, the angle of it. So whether or not you want it to hang more or less like this. These gear loops, these are rigid, so you can see that there's actually a hard object inside of here, and that's going to keep this open. There's 4 of them, as well as channels here for different types of tool carriers, like the Swinger or Petzl Kara tool or the DMM Vault. Looking at the clips, these are nice, easy to use safety clips. You can see there's a green indicator. Let's take a look at the inside of the harness. Looking at the inside here, we've got nice, bright, thermoformed padding. This padding is not the densest, but it's not the softest. I would say it's kind of in the middle. Maybe you can kind of see how much give it's giving there as I'm squeezing it. The back pad is nice and soft as it rolls this way, but has a fair amount of rigidity in the upper side. There is a first aid kit here, as well as a rear chainsaw attachment point. You can attach a chainsaw lanyard or another tool carrier there. On the inside, we will see this harness is scannable enabled, and it also has the IFU sizing and instructions on the inside here in a nice pouch. You never need this stuff until you need it, and generally speaking, I throw everything that comes with an item away. So I think having that information tucked in there in a nice, neat package is nice to have. Looking at this harness, I think that this is a great value. I love that the rope bridge is replaceable with, basically any acceptable rope. I like the features, I like the look. It's got a nice durable outer on it. I think that the new notch coloring is way cooler than the old notch coloring, so I'm into that. The Catalyst harness, it's got pretty much everything you need at a really great price point. You can get this and a ton of other awesome tree climbing gear at TreeStuff.com. Thanks for watching.